everyone, welcome back. First of all, I'm sorry if you hear some kind of background noise. This is because the fan is on. It is super hot in Bangalore right now and I just cannot survive without a fan. So if I do it, I'll be like sweating like a pig. So I have switched it on, so pardon me for any kind of background noise you hear of, okay? And let me tell you about the kind of video I have today. This is the requested video and this is about the beginner's makeup kit. A lot of my viewers asked me if I can do a video on what kind of products can be there for a person who's just stepping into the makeup world, okay? If you are a newbie in the makeup world, it is definitely not necessary for you to buy unnecessary expensive products, which is like because first of all you have to get your hands on the makeup, okay? And for that you actually do not need a lot of expensive makeup. We have plenty of good drugstore makeup available in India, which you can start off with, and once you have the perfection you can probably go and splurge on on a very good international brands. So I have the entire list of the makeup which is required to create a basic face, which you can carry when you're going to office, for a brunch, for a party, anything. First of all, makeup is all about experiment, okay? So you should not restrict yourself to the just some limited techniques and do that one, okay? Just explore the world, do as many as experiments you can, and you will be an expert in no time, okay? So I have all the basic products and these products are available in Indian drugstore, and all the products are within a range of thousands, so it will not hurt your pocket for sure. And I have couple of alternative options as well if you prefer to shop online. So there are many products which are now available online in India and you can get your hands on, and these products are also within a range of thousands, okay? So let me just quickly show you what all kind of products you need to create a very simple face. The one I'm wearing right now and all the products I'm wearing right now on my face are actually the one which I'll be showing it to you, okay? So first of all is about the primer. You can totally skip this one if you want to start with, okay? Because this is something is just to keep your makeup in place and create a very smooth base for your foundation. But if you want to skip it for for this particular time, you can definitely go ahead and skip this one. But I thought I'll just tell you about it so that in case you're planning to buy something, you can definitely try this one. This is by Makeup Academy Matte Perfect Primer. That is how it looks, okay? And it is again, it is for 850 rupees, okay? And it does a fabulous job to keep your makeup on place for about like 7-8 hours, so you would not feel like your foundation is fading away, it is falling off, nothing like that. So that is one of the product you can start with if you want to get into the primer, okay? So that is the first product. Let me quickly show you the second one. Foundation is something not everybody like it because it is little bit heavy on the face, and being a beginner you might not like the kind of feeling the foundation gives you. So the option for you is the BB creams. We have plenty of BB creams now in Indian drugstore and I want to talk about two of them. The first one is by Lakme and this is for rupees. Okay, it is not written on the tube, but I will be posting the details of each and every product I'm talking in the video along with their prices, so you guys can definitely go back and check the description box. And if you're planning to buy something, you can definitely refer this particular list, okay? The first one is the Lakme 925 Weightless Mousse Foundation. This actually is like a BB cream. It is very lightweight. It does not feel like you are putting on some makeup, and but since it is very lightweight, it does not have a very high coverage, okay? So if you're looking for something which is of very high coverage, it may not solve the purpose, and for that you'll have to go for the foundation because BB cream do not give very high coverage. They basically just makes to make your skin look smooth and gives you some kind of even skin tone. So that is the first one, and the one I have is 02 beige vanilla. It comes with a lot of color range, so you can definitely go and check out this one. So that is the first one. The other one which I have, it is not launched in India, but I'll give you a link from where you can probably buy this one, and this is by Maybelline Dream Pure BB Cream. This is 8-in-1 beauty balm, skin clearing perfection. It has 2% it has 2% of salicylic acid acne treatment. Guys, I have been loving this BB cream. It is so amazing on my sensitive skin, and it was for rupees, I don't know, I bought it during the sale time, so it was definitely under $1,000. But this gives such an amazing, smooth skin, and it helps in, calming down your acne as well. So this is by Maybelline. It is not yet launched in India. The kind of BB creams we have in India is different to what I'm showing it to you, but you can definitely get your, sorry about that, you can definitely get your hands on this one. The site I'll list it down below, so do not forget to check out the site if you are eyeing on this kind of product. It is highly recommended. If you want me to do a kind of review on this one, I can do that as well. So just let me know in your comment section if you want me to review this product. So that is the product. Okay, let me just move on to the third product, right? And this is the concealer. Concealer plays a vital role in giving you a very perfect kind of face. And I have two options for you, one which is available in drugstore market, and the second one which is available online very easily. So the first one is by Revlon, and this is the color Stay Concealer. Okay, and the one I have is 03 light medium, so it is very suitable to kind of my skin tone. If you have some fair to medium skin tone, it will be perfect for you. They again have many color range in this one, so you can probably go and check out the shade which suits to your skin tone. And the best part is this, the wand which it comes with is like this. Okay, and it does not feel cracky, or it does not dries up quickly, so you can probably just apply it and dab it using your fingers. So this is something you can definitely add into your makeup kitty. So that is the one, and very easily available in India. The second one is by ELF. And ELF products I just love like anything, because these are like very affordable and very high in quality. So the one I have is the ELF concealer, and the color I have is Ivory. Okay, so that is how it comes. It comes in this kind of stick form. It is not liquidy, it is in the stick form, but it is super blendable, and it does it does give you a very good coverage on your spots or some blemishes. So that is the second one, and this one also I bought online, I believe. Yeah, I'll give you the link from where you can check it out. So this is also a very good product, and it again comes under $1,000. So now once we are done with the foundation and the concealer, the next part comes in. You have to set your makeup, and to set your makeup the compact powders come into picture. We have two kind of powders which we can use. One is the pressed one, and the second one is the loose one. If you are the just the beginner and do not know much about how to apply the makeup, I would suggest you to go for the pressed one, because these are like easy to apply. Because the loose one, the translucent one, are something can be little tricky. If it will be like all over on your face if you're not careful while applying this one. So but I'll give you both the options, so you can definitely go and check it out. Let me tell you the pressed one first, and this is by the Maybelline New York. It is super affordable. It comes within 200 to 300. Okay, between 200 to 300. It is called Maybelline White Super Fresh. It is very easy to apply, and it just blends into your skin. And to start with your compact, this is something a very good option for you. very affordable, and something which solves the purpose. Okay, so that is the one. It again comes in variety of shades. The one I have is Shell. Okay, so that is the one, and it comes with this mirror, and that is the sponge. Pardon me for the dirty sponge, and that is how the product looks like. Okay, so that is a pressed powder you can start with. And if you are into loose powders, then there's a jam, the hidden jam available in India market. Not lot many people talk about it, but I definitely suggest you go and try this one. This is super duper cheap. It is only 125, I believe. Yes, and this is by Lakme, and the one I have is the rose powder with sunscreen. So it has the SPF as well, and it smells heaven. It smells like a rose water. Okay, sorry, it is for 140 rupees, but this is mostly on sale if you want to check it out on Amazon. This is like giant big tub, so it will, you know, do the purpose for a very long time. You just spend 140 and you forget about the loose powder again, you know, to invest in. And what else it says, the color I have is a rose powder 02 pink, warm pink. It comes in the light one also, and there's a dark shade also, I believe. So this is for the wheatish to the dusky skin. I did not go for the fair one because when I swatched it, I felt it was little, you know, white for me, though I fall under fair to medium skin tone, but that was not suitable for me. And the problem with this is it is not travel friendly, because right now also, as you can see, I have it all over on my hand, and it is like this. So it comes with this kind of applicator. I'm sorry I can't show you properly because there is a lot of powder right now on this one. It smells amazing. It smells like rose powder, but you have to be little careful when you are applying it. But once you have applied it, you are sorted for the day, because it just sets your makeup so amazingly, and it gives you a little pink sheen also to your face, because this is like rosy pink color. It is not translucent. It does not come into the classic white color. It is like always in this peachy or rosy color. So that is the second option, and this is again highly recommended if you are looking for a loose powder but do not want to spend a lot of money on this one. So Lakme is the one. Now we are done with the base, so we have to move on to the eyes now. Okay, first of all, we'll go for the eyebrows. Eyebrows should be groomed properly if you want to create a very nice looking face. And if you have a thin eyebrows, you do not have to worry about it, because that is why the eyebrow pencils are invented. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to invest in a good eyebrow pencils, and we have plenty of eyebrow pencils also available in India, and they are very cheap also. So I have two options for you. One is again by Lakme, and the one I have is in the black color. It comes in this small pencil which is easily sharpenable, and it is so smooth, so you can just fill the gaps, everything, and create a proper line on it. And the second one is, I actually have three options for you, I'm sorry. So the second option is by Maybelline, and this is called Fashion Brow, and this product has been it is like a boom, and all the bloggers talked about it, and it's actually very good. It is dual-ended. At the one side you have the pencil, okay, and it comes in three shades. One is black, brown, and the ashy color. I have opted for the ashy color because I have little black eyebrows and I have thick eyebrows as well, so I don't need something which which just match to my eyebrow colors properly. Okay, so that is something which solves the purpose. And the second part of this eyebrow pencil is a sponge applicator, and it has a powder on the second side. So what you have to do is you have to line your eyebrows properly to give it a proper shape, and use this side of the brow pencil to fill the gap by using this powder. Okay, so this is like really handy and very good, very easy to use. So these are the two pencil products I have for you. and these are very easily available in India, and they again fall under 1000 bucks. The Lakme one is definitely so cheap. I think it is for 80 bucks or maximum 100. Okay, the another option what I have is by Elf. I know now you must be aware of how much I love Elf products. Okay, so this is the eyebrow kit, and the color I have is the dark. Okay, because since I'm Indian, I have a dark eyebrows, but I cannot go for the black one. So what I can go is for the very dark brown one. So let me just show you how it looks. It comes with a wax and a powder. So what you have to do is fill your, just set your eyebrows using the wax and fill the gaps using the, the powder which is available. It comes with a small mirror, so it is again very travel friendly. And it comes with this kind of brush. One is to create the proper lines using the wax, and this is to fill your eyebrows using the powder. Okay, so that is one of the product by Elf. So I gave you 3 options, all of them super affordable and super easily available in India. Okay, let me breathe. It is so hot, I cannot even tell you. I never thought Bangalore could be that hot. It feels like I'm in Delhi during the month of June, or May or June. Excuse me. Okay, let's get to the business. Now we are done with the eyebrows. The next part is my eyeshadows and my eyeliner. Okay, this is something very tricky. If you are new to the makeup, I still struggle while applying my eyeliner or creating some kind of eye makeup for myself. So I'll give you some very simple options. So let me just tell you the eyeshadows, because that is something you apply first, and on top of it you apply your eyeliner. Okay, so I give you 2 options. One is by Maybelline again, and it is called the Color Tattoo 24 Hour by Eye Studio. These products are amazing. They can fail and give a very tough competition to any high-end product. Okay, and they again come under 1000 bucks. I think they are for 600 or 700. I do not know about the revised price, because this is something I have in my stash from a very long time, and I still use it, and the quantity is pretty good. You will not run out of the product until you use it on a daily basis, or you are too much into eye makeup. You will not fall, you will not run out of this product. So the color I have is the, which color is this? This is the 25 Bad to the Bronze. So if you want to give a very just a wash of the color on your eyelids without creating a proper eye look, so you can definitely go for these kind of creamy eyeshadows. It comes in variety of colors. They have a huge range in this one. So you want a turquoise one, you want just a shimmer one, or the kind of one I have applied right now on my eyelids. I don't know if you can see it or not, but this is something just you in a jiffy. You do not want to spend a lot of time on creating your eyeshadow, but you want a little bit of something is there on your eyes. You can definitely reach for these ones. They are super amazing, super creamy, and super blendable. Super amazing. Highly recommend. Okay, you are a beginner, get it and you are sorted. Okay, do not get into creating a lot of techie things on your eyelids, because that is something which takes time and needs a lot of practice. So to start with, you can definitely go for this one. Okay, let me tell you one of the eyeshadow palette which you can have in your makeup kitty, and if you wherever you feel like you want to create some kind of look for yourself, you can definitely go for this kind of eyeshadow. And this is again by Makeup Academy Professional. Okay, and this is the Undressed. If you know about the Makeup Academy, they have lot of dupes of Urban Decay naked palettes. Okay, 1 2 3 4 like this. They are also like this. This is the Undressed, and it contains most of the nude colors. Okay, so I hope you guys can see it. It has from light to dark, and some mauvey colors, some earthy tone colors, some browns, some taupe, some copper colors and a little dark one as well to create some kind of smoky eye look for yourself. You have this palette, you are sorted for like for the initial days of your makeup journey. So that is really amazing, and this was again super affordable. Actually, this one is something I bought from UK and it was only for £1 or £2 I believe, but you get these one easily available in India on Amazon, Flipkart, Zebong, Myntra, Nykaa also. So you just have to go and check it out. And it actually, if you can see at the back, it has shown all the colors which are available in this palette, and it has shown you how you can use it to create some kind of look for your eyes, like what you can use on your brow bone, what you can use for your crease, on the lid, on the outer part or the inner part, like this. So if you are new to the one, this is like a kind of guide for you. You can definitely go by these steps and create some kind of easy but very very cute look for yourself. Okay, so that is the second product. The second option I have for the eyebrow purpose, okay, not eyebrow, for eyeshadow purpose, right? Okay, so that is the one. Now let me show you the eyeliner, because once you are done with your eye makeup, the eyeshadow part, you have to create some kind of line eyeliner is required. And we have a lot of eyeliners right now. We have liquidy ones, we have the gel ones, we have the pencil ones. Okay, but I am myself, I'm not very good in applying very liquidy kind of eyeliner, so I always go for the inky kind of eyeliners, which comes with the sharp tip or the flat tip. And using these kind of eyeliners, it is very easy to apply on your eyelids, or you want to create some kind of wing look, you can definitely create using this one very easily. Okay, so the first product, I swear by, this is my holy grail product, and this is by Makeup Revolution. This is the Awesome Double Flick Liquid Liner. It says it is liquid, but it is not something very liquidy. It is like a sketch pen, if you know, and you can easily draw any kind of line using this one. It is dual ended. One side is little fatty, so you can create a thick line for yourself, and one side is very thin, super thin, to create the wings. Okay, so this is like jet black. You are a beginner, you definitely need a black eyeliner in your life, so that is something I highly recommend. You just have this one and you are sorted for your wing liners, or you want to create some kind of thick liner, so that solves the purpose. Again, super affordable. Yeah. The second one is like eyeliner pencil, and we have plenty of them available in drugstore. The one which I really like is by Color Bar. If you remember my February month favorite, I talked about this product. I'll link the the video in the description box. So you want to check it out, you can directly go to the link and take a look on my video. So this is the Color Bar eye glide pencil. It comes in variety of shade: turquoise, green, teal, brown, black, blue. All the colors are available in this one, so it is up to you what kind of color you want to apply on your waterline. I generally don't like black one, so I go for the turquoise one, or the brown, or the steel gray kind of colors. So that is one of the option, and again falls under £1,000. Okay, so I think we are done with the eyes. Okay, so let's move on to the cheeks. Okay, I am a sucker of blushers. I like liquidy ones, I like powdery ones, but I do not like the shimmer blushers. But I like applying highlighter. But I'm not going to talk about the bronzer. No, I'm not going to talk about the bronzer and the highlighter in this video, because that is something you do not need when you are going for a very basic kind of makeup. Okay, you can definitely buy and experiment with it if you want to, but I'm not talking about it in this video. But if you want me to create an advanced makeup kitty for the beginners, I can definitely do that one as well, and I'll incorporate some of the products which I'm not talking in this video, but these are something are required if you have you know, if you are now okay to create some kind of makeup look, and you can go to the second level. Okay, so I'll be talking about the blushers, and I have two kind of blushes for you. One is the powdery one, and the one is the moussey or the kind of liquidy one. So I have three options here for you. One is the color bar. I adore this one. This is called Rosy Peach 013, and let me, oh, where is it? Okay, let me show you. This is such a beautiful color, very suitable to the Indian skin tone, and something you can wear on a daily basis without worrying of how it is looking on my cheeks. Am I looking like a clown or something? No, it will not make you look like anything. It will definitely give a very good, you know, pink color to your cheeks, and you know, make you ready for any makeup, any occasion. Okay, and these are like super duper blendable and very buildable also. This is not something, you know, you just tap on your brush and you apply on your cheeks and you're like, oh, what is this? I look like a clown. I have this red big patches on my cheeks. Nothing like that. You can go a little heavy also when you are applying this one, because this is very light in you know, when you are swatching it, but it is really, I really like this color on a daily basis. I always go for this one because that is something, it goes with any kind of eye makeup. It goes with any sort of, you know, the kind of attire you're wearing. It is very, very versatile and very universal color. Okay, so that is the one, highly recommend. And there are two other cheaper options for you, and this is by Color Essence. Color Essence has really you know, good range of blushers. I own three of them, but right now I'm showing only two. I don't know where's the third one. The one I have is, it is for 250. Okay, and there is no shade mentioned on this one. Yeah, there is no shade mentioned on this one, so you can go for the color. This is like a very neutral kind of color. You just need a little hint of blusher on your cheeks, you can go for this one. These are again very you know, very buildable and very smooth when you want to, you know, use it using your finger or your brush. The other one is little darker one. This is like a hot pink, but not something like you know, that will be like what is there on my cheeks. Nothing like that. It is again super blendable, buildable. So I don't know if you can see, this is the Color Essence one. The middle one is highly you know, it's like, it won't be very visible because that is like very muted color. But these are again very affordable, 250, and have a very good range of the colors for the beginners. So you can definitely go and check out the Color Essence blusher. Okay, the third one is my favorite. I'm wearing currently on my cheeks, and this is by Rimmel, and it is called Stay Blush Liquid Cheek Tint. Okay, so that is how it looks. It comes in this tube. You have to just squeeze it, use little drops of it, apply it on your cheeks, and just blend it using your hand, and you are sorted. Okay, and it stays on your cheeks for a very good time and smells really amazing. It is very easy to start with, you know, this kind of products, because they do not need any kind of, you know, perfection when you are using these kind of products. So you can go for the Rimmel one, and this is again very, very affordable. Okay, I'm running out of breath. Okay, so we are done with the blusher. What else is next? Okay, now we have what else we have? I'm looking at my products. Okay, so now we are left with only the lipsticks. So there are a lot of lipsticks available in India now. We have a liquidy one, and we have a matte, we have a semi-matte, pearl finish, satin finish, and we have a gloss also. But I really like lipsticks because that, you know, just instantly create, you know, just brighten up your face. And the one I have is by Maybelline, and one is by Lakme, because these are like super duper affordable. These are only for about 300, I believe, maximum. Okay, so the one I have is by Maybelline Color Show Creamy Matte Lipsticks. I just hope you guys can see I own a lot of in this one. The formula is super amazing. They are like super duper matte, but smoothly just it just gets applied on your lips. You do not have to worried about how to apply the matte lipstick, because matte lipsticks tend to be little dry. Okay, so but the formula of these one is really amazing, and they have the vast shade color shades in this one. You have a muted nudes, you have mauve, you have pinks, you have red, you have orange, coral. All the colors are available in this one. The one which I'm wearing right now is my all-time favorite, and this is the matte M401 Lively Violet. It is a very Kylie Jenner kind of lip color. I really like it. It is not mauve completely, it is not pinky, but it is very subtle kind of mauve color, which you can wear on a very daily basis. I really like this one. When I don't know what to apply, I just go for this one, and it just goes with all kind of attire I wear. Okay, so these are the ones, like these are the 4 ones which I'm showing you. The one I have is the Lively Violet. I have Flaming Fuchsia, which is a gorgeous, the pataka kind of pink color. It just brighten up your face like anything. Okay, so that is one of the color. Then I have this one. This is called Pop of Pink, and this is again a very muted kind of baby pink color. Really amazing, and it will suit to the fair to the medium skin tone. And the last one I have is a very pretty coral red kind of color, and it is, in my opinion, a very good dupe of MAC Lady Danger. Okay, so that is one of the lipsticks I have for you. And the other one is by Lakme, and this is the Lakme Enriched Satin. Okay, if you remember, Lakme introduced its first lipstick was the satin one. Okay, that used to come in the brown classic packaging, but now they have revised the packaging, also the prices, but the formula is really amazing. They have a lot of good colors in this one. The I have is the electric pink color, and it is called, it does not have any name, it just have a number, and it is called P168. They have a lot of colors in this one, and these are like very affordable. These are just about 300, I believe. Yeah, that's it. So guys, yeah, I think I'm done for the kind of products you would need if you are a beginner and you do not want to splurge on the makeup products, and which is very good also and very advisable as well, because if you are a beginner, you need some practice to start with, and you definitely do not need a lot of expensive products to do your practice. And especially when we have a lot of amazing products already available in drugstore, which is like even below the half of the price of what you pay for the high-end products. So these were the products were like something which has to be which have to be in your kitty if you are a beginner, in my opinion. But you can definitely go and check out for some other option as well when you are visiting the drugstore the next time. But if you want to start with it, these are something which I recommend. Okay, so guys, I hope this video was useful to answer most of your queries, and it was useful for the other viewers as well who did not requested this video, but they were looking for similar kind of options for themselves. So thank you so much for requesting something. I really liked, and I really enjoyed shooting this video, and I hope you liked it. If you liked it, then do not forget to give it a big thumbs up, and also if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please go and subscribe it. And I'm gonna see you in my next video very soon. So till then, bye bye, take care, and love you all.